Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Roshain More Reviews. Today we're back in the street checking on the roadworks. We're at Hagley Park Road. This is the intersection of Hagley Park Road and Maxfield Avenue, where the National Work Agency is going to do a major renovation of this intersection. It will start at 10 p.m. tonight, that's February 28th, and it will run into tomorrow Sunday into the night, so this road will be completely blocked off to facilitate this road widening and renovation of this intersection. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe for more content like this. Remember to leave a comment, like and share as well, and turn on your post notification so you get notified when I upload a video. Alright, so right behind me is the Limelight Plaza. I'll also show you a glimpse of that. It's raining a bit, so I'm gonna pause the video a little bit. So welcome to another video, guys. Alright, so this is Limelight Plaza. We have Keys Driving School. We have a few closed stores. Over that side is the newly opened St. Andrew Justice Center. And what they have done as well is to lease a part of the property to a car mart temporarily, because I think the Justice Center should be over there for like 3 years before they find a permanent residence. And then this is the rest of the Limelight Plaza. We have Popeyes. They have been here probably 9 months, going to a year. Alright, so work on the intersection has started. The road is not closed as yet. It will be completely closed off 10 p.m. tonight by the National Work Agency to facilitate the renovation. But work has started. So another car mart around here.
Thank you.
Alright, so I'm also standing on the newly renovated building, which now hosts the BIC-FCIBJMKN law firm. So it's a rainy Saturday afternoon, February 29th. Correction, I probably said February 28th a bit earlier, so it's February 29th. Last day in February. It's a leap year. And then tomorrow, Sunday, March 1st, is where this area will be completely closed off to vehicular traffic to complete the intersection renovation. So that's down Hagley Park Road. So this is the final, or these are some of the final polishing up work. So the Hagley Park Road renovation / improvement project. Alright, so I'm trying to get you guys the footage without after being in the rain, because the rain is drawing, but trying to get as much footage for you guys and trying to zoom in as much so you guys can see what's happening. I'll try to revisit this location tomorrow when it's completely closed off, so you guys can see the progress of the work. So those buses are leaving Maxfield Avenue, heading to Eastwood Park Road. And then these cars are heading down Hagley Park Road. And those cars are coming from Hagley Park Road going on to Eastwood Park Road. Alright guys, definitely leave your comment in terms of what you think about this renovation of this Hagley Park intersection. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. And I think this renovation could only have been done on a weekend, because if they have tried this in the week with so much traffic, it would be complete chaos. So I guess only on a weekend they could have done this. So this is the new building for the Bignall law firm. Lots of renovation. Inside looking very good right now. Alright guys, so we are back on the Limelight Plaza, ending the video around now. So remember to subscribe. Subscribing is free. Remember to leave your comment, like and share. Turn on your notification bell so you can see when I post to the channel, so you don't miss anything. Alright, so this is the renovation of the intersection at Hagley Park Road and Maxfield Avenue.